boys and girls. Today I'm going to be going over your Astros so you can check your work and see how you're doing. One of the reasons we're doing this is so you can practice showing your work and practicing our math skills. The first thing I'm going to do is look at this number sentence. I see I have 8 circles. I know I'm going to be adding or joining 3 more. And I'm going to count 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I'm going to write my sum right there as 11. This one I have 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to lose 9, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to see how many I have left, which is 6. I have 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to lose 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is what my remainder is, or my 4 left. Okay, now I'm going to circle the number that is greater. Well, I know this has 2 10s and 3 1s, and I know this has 3 groups of 10 and 2 1s. So the number that is greater has more 10s, so it's going to be the number 32. And it's circle, not rectangle, sorry. Circle the number that is less. Well, 16 has 1 10 and 6 1s, and 46 has 4 10s and 6 1s. The number that is less is 16 because it has less 10s. We're going to read the question, identify the important information, then write a number sentence. Ben had 10 toy cars. For his birthday, he got 5 more cars. How many cars does Ben have now? Well, I know he has 10 toy cars. I know he gets 5 more cars, so I know we're joining. And I'm looking for how many he has now. So I'm looking for a result. So this is going to be my result. This is going to be my start. And this is going to be my change. So he's going to start with 10 cars. He's going to get 5 more cars. And I'm going to then draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's his 10 cars. He's getting 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 and 5 is 15. Fill in the missing numbers. 25. Ooh, we're skipping a number, and then we're going to 35. I wonder what that number could be. I think it might be counting by 5. So 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That worked. Way to go. Now I'm going to look here. I have 15, I have 35. I have 3 numbers in between. I think we're going to be counting by 5s again. 15, 20, 25, 30. I'm going to flip it over to the back. Can you join triangles to create a circle? Why or why not? So I may want to draw triangles and see if I can join triangles to create a circle. And while this looks like a circle, I notice it has straight edges. So I'm going to say no, because a circle has no sides. And so there will still be a little bit of an edge. What new shape could you make by joining 2 squares? So I have 2 squares. I cannot make a triangle, so I'm going to cross that out. I cannot make a circle. I cannot make a triangle. I know I can make a rectangle, so I can either choose to fill it in or put a check mark, or you can circle it. Any of those options would work. Which 2 shapes can be joined to make a rhombus? Draw a check mark inside the shapes and sketch your drawing below. Okay, so I want to make a rhombus. I may want to sketch this. I'm going to join 2 shapes. If I put a hexagon and a square together, that's not going to make a rhombus. If I put a if I put this shape together with these, it won't. But if I put 2 triangles together, that does make a rhombus. So I know it's this and this. And I sketched my drawing. What shapes can you join together to create a hexagon? You can try to use only triangles. So I could draw my hexagon first. And I'm going to think, I want to do it with triangles, or I can do it with rhombuses, because 3 rhombuses are, I have 2 rhombuses and 2 triangles. I could have done it. Sorry, boys and girls. With all triangles, there's multiple ways to do that. What is the different way you could join shapes together to create a hexagon? You can try to use only rhombuses. I could do rhombus, 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 and that also makes a hexagon. All right, I'm ready for the next page. I'm going to start with my subtraction. I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I take away 3. 1, 2, 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm left with 3 more. I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Read the question, identify the important information, then write a number sentence. Anna has 12 balloons. Her dad gave her 4 more balloons. How many balloons does Anna have now? Well, I know she starts with 12 balloons. I know her dad is giving her 4 more, so that's going to be my change. And I'm looking for my result, or how many she has now. So I'm going to draw my 12 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Her dad's going to give her those 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're looking for how many she has now. So I'm going to write 12. I'm joining, so I'm going to put plus 4 more. Well, I know that I can see a group of 10. And I'm going to make another group. And so I'm going to say 4 and, this is a group of 10. And I see 4 and 2 more, which is 6. So that's how I see it. You may have seen it differently, and that's okay. Fill in the missing numbers. 26, 27. Oh, I know I'm counting forwards by 1. 28, 29, 30. 41, 42. I'm counting up by 1. 43, 44, 45, 46. What time is shown on the clock? Well, I know the hour hand is at 1 and the minute hand is at 12. So I know my time is 1 o'clock. We have not learned that yet. If you want to skip that one, that is okay. What 2 shapes could be joined together to make a rectangle? Well, I know I can't join a triangle and a circle together to make a rectangle. I wonder if I could put 2 triangles together to make a rectangle. I know that if I put these 2 squares together, they could make a rectangle. So I'm going to circle that one because they're the same size. These are not the same size, so it's not going to make a rectangle. And these ones are both equal, so they're not. If they were irregular, it is possible. Draw a happy face inside the shape that can be used using the trapezoid shapes shown below. Okay, well, I cannot make this shape with a trapezoid. I cannot make this shape with a trapezoid, but I know I could do this. And by using 2 trapezoids, I can make my hexagon. So this is the shape that gets my happy face. Which of the following new shapes could you make using the 2 triangles? All right, so I've got my 2 triangles. I know I cannot make a hexagon because 2 trapezoids I just learned make a hexagon. I cannot make a circle because the circle has 0 sides, but I know I could take my square and I could divide it in half, and then there would be my 2 triangles. That's my answer. Draw a picture below the dotted line to show how you could use the shapes to create a hexagon. So I could take a triangle here, I could take my rectangle and a triangle here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I could make my shape like that. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm adding 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm starting with 12. It wants me to take away 3, so I'm going to cross 3 out. 1, 2, 3. And I see what I'm left with. This is a group of 5 and 4 more, which I know is 9. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm joining those together. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Georgiana and Sandra went to the market to buy fruit. Georgiana bought 7 sweet oranges. Sandra bought 4 yellow bananas. How many pieces of fruit did they buy? Well, we know this was my start. We started with 7 sweet oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are Susanna's 7 sweet oranges. Georgiana's 7 sweet oranges. And Sandra buys 4 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pieces of fruit did they buy? Well, I know I've got 7 and 4 more. 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 11. So I know that they bought 11 pieces of fruit. Read the information, the question, identify the information, then write a number sentence and draw a picture to match. Mark had 7 crayons. His mom bought him 6 more. How many does he have in all? Well, he had 7. His mom's buying him 6 more, so I'm trying to figure out 7 plus 6. I know 6 plus 6 is 12, and 1 more is 13. Fill in the missing numbers. 16 something, something, 19, 20. I know I'm counting by 1, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 3 corners, vertices. I have 3 sides. What shape am I? This has no sides. This has 4 sides. This has 4 sides. This has 3. So it must be a triangle. Notice I go through all the options. Which shape has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices? Well, this has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. This one has 2 sets of congruent sides and 2 other sets, but they are not all equal, so it cannot be this one. This does not have 4 sides. This has 5 sides, and this has 3. So I know my answer is only that answer. What is this name of the shape? I see 1, 2, 3 sides. I see 1, 2, 3 vertices. So it must be a triangle. What shape has 5 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, that is an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm looking for a 5-sided figure. This is the one with 5 sides, the pentagon. Represent the number 45 3 different ways. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could represent it like that. I could represent it in standard form. I could represent it in expanded form. I could put it in a tens and ones table, which is 4 groups of 10 and 5 ones. These are all ways I could represent the number 45. Place these numbers on the open number line below. Okay, well, I'm going to look, and I see this has 3 tens, this has 2 tens, and this has 6 tens. So 27 goes first because it has the least number of tens. I'm going to cross it off because I've used it. Now I have 36 and 63. I know 36 has 3 tens while 63 has 6. 3 is less than 6, so I'm going to put 36. And that means my greatest number must be 63. Write the value of each coin. I see that this has FDR on it. It says Liberty. It says In God We Trust and has the date. This to me is a dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents. This is a quarter. I know that because it says quarter down here, and I see George Washington. It says Liberty, United States of America. So I'm going to write 25 cents. You're going to write a word problem that matches the number sentence. 2 plus 6 equals 8. I had 2 cat toys. I got 6 more toys. How many cat toys do I have now? You can write whatever number sentence you want using that equation. Draw a figure with 4 equal sides. What is the figure's name? So I could do this figure, and I could say this is a square because a square has 4 equal sides. Or I could have done a rhombus because a rhombus can also have 4 equal sides. Create 2 different figures that are rectangles. So I could draw a square and I could draw a rectangle. Create a triangle using objects at home. What objects did you use? I'm taking a piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half, and I made my triangle, so I could write paper. How many sides did it have? The triangle has 3 sides. Create a circle using objects at home. What objects did you use? I'm going to use my pen cap. So I'm going to put pen cap. How many corners does it have? It has 0 corners. All right, I will continue this on part 2 video.